Then I will save more lore talk for later, okay? It's me, Herlock, on my second account. I gotta head off soon, but could you tell Brian that I have a Wheeze comp in his channel he might like to react to with the message for him? Then you gotta do. Thanks.
Oh, a Wheeze compilation.
Yeah.
I hope it's not my Wheeze. My Wheeze is ugly. Delirious and Louis Wheezes today were great.
Is that when you're laughing hard? It's called a wheeze.
Yeah, it's fucking delirious. The sound of a kettle.
Oh.
Delirious makes the sound of a steaming kettle. That's the wheeze. Anthony's got the fucking a beautiful one.
That's Louis Wheeze.
Louise.
Louise. Venom said he just turned his computer off, but he's still here.
What am I doing? Why the fuck am I playing Minecraft? I used to talk shit about this game. Hypocrite. Hey Terroriser, I tweeted you a link for the Wheeze compilation I made to your friends. Thank you, big jiggly panda moment. Oh, for fuck's sake. It's another Pog. Kermit the Pog. Is this where all the community channels come? Is Louis the epicenter? Is Louis the drama?